लाइन, तो अगर उनकी कोई रिक्वेस्ट है, कोई डेडिकेशन, एनीथिंग दैट दे वांट टू लिसन टू राइट नाउ ऑन द एयरवेव्स, definitely ask them to give us a call. 817-468-1220 is the studio number. बाकी जब बच्चा था काले चोर ले गए, खूबसूरत सा गाना। जी हाँ, हेमंत कुमार जी की बेटी रानू मुखर्जी की आवाज में सुन रहे थे इस गाने को। एंड ऑफ कोर्स ऑन द रिक्वेस्ट ऑफ सोनल कुलश्रेष्ठा, जो हमारे साथ हैं इन स्टूडियो राइट नाउ, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, फाउंडर एंड ऑफ कोर्स ब्लॉगर ऑफ देसी दीवार वेबसाइट। तो उनको इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं हमारे साथ। सोनल जी, जो लोगों ने अभी हमें ज्वाइन इन किया है, उनके लिए थोड़ी सी अपनी इंट्रोडक्शन एक बार दीजिए।
Okay, so I'm Sonal Kulshrestha. I'm the founder of www.desidewar.com, and we believe in keeping everyone connected to this, our roots. And well, I'm here every fourth Monday of the month.
Yes,
with RJ Neetu, with the very lovely, vibrant, ravishing RJ Neetu.
Thank you so much. Truly appreciated. And of course, आपका साथ मिल जाता है तो this morning becomes more खूबसूरत।
बहुत मजा आता है।
Definitely, truly. तो चलिए आज की डिस्कशन हम शुरुआत करते हैं। वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट समर विद द ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स। व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट इट यार? डिड यू स्पेंड दैट?
I know, Neetu, you know what? I feel grandchildren share a very special relationship with their grandparents, right? And their relationship is one of deep understanding, love, and respect, right? And we, the parents, might be the cause and the channel, but their relationship is really not limited by ours, I feel.
बिल्कुल,
right?
बिल्कुल।
It extends beyond what we share and what we set example for,
बिल्कुल।
right? In fact, I feel it is not even limited by the boundaries of our relationship. We see our own parents so much more willing to even broaden their beliefs when it comes to their grandchildren, right? They might feel कि अच्छा, you know, हम ऐसे कपड़े ना पहने या ऐसे कपड़े ना पहने, but when it comes to their grandchildren, all limits are off, right? So So, I feel, in fact, it is so much more than even that. And I have a good saying that I feel completely sums up the grandchildren and grandparents' relationship. Now, it's modified of another saying that I don't know who the sayer is. So, grandchildren are grandparents' path into the future.
Yes.
Right? Grandkids, it's like they literally hold their grandparents' hand and take them into the future.
Into the future.
Sab beliefs badal jati hai, broaden ho jati hai,
Bilkul.
And grandparents are a child's window into the past.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
That's how they know their family history, their family beliefs, their family culture.
And they always
Right?
relate what they did in their childhood, they related in their grandkids.
Exactly.
ओ मैं भी बचपन में ऐसे ही करता था,
हाँ.
मैं भी ऐसे ही करती थी, ये तो अपने दादाजी के जैसे करता है,
हाँ.
ये अपने
And
नाना
सारी-
जी के जैसे करता है.
Right. And बच्चे सब stories सुनते भी हैं.
Exactly.
Right?
And they
Yeah.
feel actually very proud. You should see that spark on their face when they said, oh, ये तो इस तरह से तेरे दादाजी करते थे. अच्छा? You know, that cuteness when they say,
I know,
अच्छा?
right,
That
right.
brings that charm.
I know,
Yes.
I know. So another good saying that sums up the easygoing relationship is this. The simplest toy, one which even the youngest child can operate, is called a grandparent.
Aw, so
They
sweet.
know how to keep their grandparents twined around
Oh,
their little
definitely.
finger, right? So this saying was by Sam Levinson.
Mm-hmm.
In the book, you don't have to be in Who's Who to know what's what.
Okay.
So then, Neetu, so moving on from these sayings.
So tell us about something about your memories, Sonal, if you have anything, with your dada, dadi, nana, nani, what details have still stayed with you till this date?
Neetu, that's a very good question because I feel it's because we have cherished our memories with our grandparents that we value what our kids are in the process of making, right? We really value that. And okay, I remember my grandparents' Haveli. It wasn't luxurious by any account, but it was huge with a central open courtyard and rooms all around it,
Yes, yes.
connected by a covered hallway, right? So there was the formal living room where the formal guests were ushered in. There was the kitchen, the rasoi ghar. Then there was the pantry called the Bhandar Ghar. Then there was the study complete with a large desk with a lot of books in it. A lot of these books were written by my grandfather himself.
Wow.
And I remember the most beautiful feature of the house was the front porch.
Okay.
There was a table and a few chairs in the semi-circular front porch. That was pretty much a permanent feature of the house. And we used to hang around with our grandfather early in the morning as he read the newspaper.
Oh, okay.
He used to smoke hookah, and we in fact took turns in preparing it for him. So can you imagine kids preparing the hookah? And we loved the guttural sound he made. He
Yes.
used to wear khadao, those flat
Yes.
wooden sandals with nothing but a toe hold
And they
on
make
top.
a really nice,
Cluck,
loud
cluck,
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 cluck.
sound they would make. So we used to wear it and walk around with it. And he had retired as the professor of English and dean in Allahabad University. Everyone in the neighborhood really respected him.
Right, right.
We would go out for walks with him. And then about my dadi, I remember she was a very short, and we thought of her as a very cute woman. She was really cute. She was like 4'6", but she was very strict about her kitchen rules.
Oh.
So all this was in Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. So
Right.
so we'll try and cover stories from different parts of India.
Sure,
So this
sure.
was like northern India in Uttar Pradesh, UP, Allahabad. And my dadi was very strict with my aunts, the Taijis who lived there, right?
Right.
So they were not allowed to enter the kitchen without taking a shower.
Oh, wow.
And then they were not encouraged to wear stitched clothing. So
Oh, okay.
so they literally would wear just sari wound all around them from neck to ankle.
Wow.
And because of that, I mean, since women were practically scantily dressed,
Right.
so men were not allowed in the kitchen.
Uh-huh.
So it was just a women's area. They would cook meals in large pots in low-lying burners.
Right.
And my very fond memories of the food itself, the food was served in pital ki thalis.
Pital ki thali.
The brass glass
Yes,
plate,
yes,
right?
yes, yes,
Thick,
yes.
fat plates
Bilkul,
with
bilkul.
large bowls in
Big
it,
bowls,
right?
yes. And they used to be really heavy, if
Really
I'm not
heavy,
mistaken. I mean,
really
बच्चे के
heavy.
लिए उठाना तो मतलब hard
हाँ,
होता था.
and
तो
men would stand at the entrance of the kitchen, and once the thali is ready and the bowls are ready, it would literally be slid out to them. Tuck, tuck,
wow.
tuck, 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 it would go at the other end. So, we have all these memory, and we
Yes.
used to love our dadi's dal. It was like thick lentil with ghee
Oh
floating
my
on it.
God.
And and she was so strict about her ghee ka dabba, the ghee container, nobody was allowed to touch it.
Okay.
Once my sister touched it by mistake, and next day we saw a brand new dabba because
Oh
it
my
was
God.
contaminated after that. So, we have all these memories. And then about my Nana, he lived in Banaras. Okay. So, of him, I remember he had retired as a professor, as a principal in Queen's College in Banaras. We would go for long walks with him, and everyone would meet and say, Radhe Radhe, Principal Saab, or, Jai Shri Ram, Principal Saab, right? And all these walks, he would tell us endless stories on the adventures of Sindbad, and we suspected that half of them were made up. And these walks would end in kachoris and jalebis from the street corner shop, the
Yes.
halwai shop, right? And then our nani had passed away very early on, but his kitchen was run by wives of shopkeepers that he had leased out a lot of land to.
Okay.
I remember acres and acres of mango orchards, right?
Right.
And we have all these memories of climbing up the mango tree,
Yes.
cutting kacha aam and
कच्चा
eating
आम
with
का
kala
eating.
namak, right?
अब आजकल के बच्चों को अगर बोले ना हम तो आम के पेड़ पे चढ़े हैं, what?
Exactly. I know.
So
And then,
that's-
we have all these memories, and we regarded my Nana as very modern because he didn't insist on the women in the house keeping
With
pallo on their
pallo,
head,
right.
of covering their head,
Right,
right?
right.
And he would hug his daughter-in-laws, and, he was very affectionate. So we thought he was very modern. So, and so the point is, Neetu, I feel that we notice every single thing, right?
Yes.
Lot of details stay with us,
With us.
right? So I feel it's very important that we, especially since we live here in America, I feel it's very important that we take our kids to India. So they see their grandparents in their natural setting.
in their natural setting,
Right,
yes.
where they are comfortable, where they rule,
Yes,
literally.
exactly,
Right?
exactly.
So it is important to take them and expose our kids to that setting.
That
right?
setting.
So we have other stories that we would like to share also that others have shared with us. So Shabana Motiwala from Toronto in Canada shared this with us. She says she doesn't remember much of her grandmother at all, but her dadi lived in Doraji, a small village near Rajkot in Gujarat. And although she doesn't have any memory of her, she distinctly remember her dadi sitting on her jhula, again in one of those open courtyards,
Yeah.
with her very ornate pandan by her side. Jhula is a typical feature of every Gujarati
Every
household.
Gujarati house and every
right?
old house. Like
Yeah,
that,
and then
yes.
pandan. We remember our dadis eating pan a lot, right? So she has this very vivid memory. And then about her mother as a grandmother, she says her mom passed away last summer, but before that she had the good fortune of spending 5 weeks with her daughter at her mother's house, and she has this image that's etched in her mind forever.
yes.
Every morning that she woke up, she would find her little girl on her nanny's bed and her nanny massaging her legs, her daughter's leg.
so sweet.
So, I find these memories very sweet. So, again, the point is that every detail is a part of the memory in the making.
Definitely.
Right? So, all these memories are very important. So maybe it's time for us to have that second song, the
Definitely.
Dadi Amma
दादी
Manja
अम्मा दादी
song,
अम्मा
right?
सॉन्ग एंड डेफिनेटली एक और हमारे पास जो स्टोरी किसी लिसनर ने हमारे साथ
Oh,
शेयर
wow.
की है
Uh-huh.
दैट इज कि इट्स अ जनरलाइज इट्स नॉट एक्चुअली अ स्टोरी इट्स अ मोर जनरलाइज थिंग कि बिटवीन अ ग्रैंड पेरेंट एंड अ ग्रैंड चाइल्ड दे से ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स आर अ लेडी एंड अ मैन एक्चुअली हु हैव नो or little children of their own. They have no little children of their own. All their kids are like,
Are
grown
grown up.
up and big. So they are like each other people. A grandfather is a man and a grandmother is a lady. Grandparents don't have to be anything except be there when they come and see them. They are so old they shouldn't play hard or run. It is good if they drive us to the shops and just give us money.
Oh, okay.
When they take us for walks, they slow down past things like pretty leaves and caterpillars. So what I'm trying to say
Oh
is
my God.
they embrace nature.
I know they
Yes.
do. In fact, they point out little things to their
Exactly.
grandkids that even parents might not have the time to.
Parents definitely don't have the time. I mean, there's no doubt about it.
I
मतलब
know.
मैं अपना एग्जांपल बताती हूँ. मतलब मेरे केस में क्या होता है, क्योंकि आई थिंक पेरेंट्स आर एनर्जेटिक, दे आर मोर इनटू कि लाइक लॉट ऑफ अदर थिंग्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट,
Right,
सो दे हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ लॉट ऑफ अदर थिंग्स. सो दे आर लाइक कि यू नो छोड़ो ये चीज, ब्यूटी ऑफ द नेचर, लेट्स पास इट ऑन.
हाँ, हाँ.
Lot
ये
of
है.
beautiful things are there which we want to sometime let our kids enjoy, but we pass on those things thinking that we don't have time
Exactly.
to enjoy those things, but the grandparents take care of those things.
That is very true. Everything that parents don't have the time for, grandparents do.
Exactly. And then of course they show us and talk to us about the colors of flowers and also why we should step on cracks. They just say hurry up. They don't say that like
I
the
know.
parents or the moms in particular, jaldi karo, jaldi karo, jaldi karo. You know that phrase hurry up is not there with the grandparents.
That is very true, Neetu. That's beautiful. That's
Yes.
a beautiful thought, actually.
That's a very beautiful
Yeah.
thought. Usually grandmothers, now I'm going to quote it, they are fat, but not too fat to tie your own shoes.
Oh, that's
Isn't
so
that sweet?
I know.
They wear glasses and of course, I don't want to say this, but I'll say it, funny underwears. They can take their teeth and gums out. Grandparents are very smart.
Oh, yes.
But they don't have to be smart.
I know.
Right? तो चलिए इसी खूबसूरत ख्याल के साथ शुरू करती हूँ दादी अम्मा मान जाओ.
दादी अम्मा मान जाओ, दादी अम्मा मान जाओ, छोड़ो दिए गुस्सा जरा हंस के दिखाओ. दादी अम्मा मान जाओ, दादी अम्मा मान जाओ, छोड़ो दिए गुस्सा जरा हंस के दिखाओ. दादी अम्मा मान जाओ.
वंडरफुल डिस्कशन के साथ हम फिर से आमंत्रित एंड स्वागत करना चाहेंगे सोनल कुलश्रेष्ठा का इन माय स्टूडियो. सोनल, वेलकम.
शुक्रिया.
Definitely. Thank you so much for coming in the studio and doing this wonderful topic, summer with the grandparents. It's
My
going
pleasure
awesome.
always,
It's,
Neetu.
it's going awesome. So definitely, Sonal. Since हम बच्चों की बातें कर रहे हैं, that spending time with the grandparents, in India, let's talk about our kids' stories, that we guys share with our grandparents. What do you have to say about that?
Let me, in fact, share my kids' story. My kids were very fascinated by the process of locking the house down when you go on vacation, right? India mein you worry about that
Yes.
everything will collect dust, right?
Right,
So
right.
they were so fascinated, they were so amazed that everything had to be covered to prevent dust from collecting over it, right? All the little showpieces
Yes.
on the showcases had to be kept away in cabinets, and all the furniture had to be covered with old bed sheets.
Yes.
It so happened we were there in Delhi with my parents, and then we were heading out to Banaras to attend a family wedding. And they were so amazed when Nana Nani started keeping every single thing away, and they went around collecting this. Nana, here, keep this. Nana, here, keep this. And my son Rohan, he went around covering every single thing with old bed sheets that
That's
Nani
so
gave him,
sweet.
and he enjoyed it. And then every single door has to be locked, and
yes.
each key is specific to the specific door,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So my dad had this diary in which he had the serial number of the key and which lock it went to, and he went around assisting everyone of the door to be unlocked. And then we came back, it was the reverse process, right?
It is opening
Remove
everything.
all the bed sheets. And then they were so fascinated. Okay, here, Nana, put this back. I think it belongs here. I think it belongs there. They were
That's
so
so
amazed
sweet.
because they had never seen this
Yes.
before, right?
I mean, यहाँ पे तो we, once the decoration piece is there, it stays
It's
there,
there forever.
Unless or until that thing is broken or something,
Uh-huh,
definitely.
Right.
Yes.
So with their dada dadi, since we have a lot of family that is local, they are always amazed at the number of family members that keep dropping by, right? And if we have to go out for dinner or chart, everyone just piles onto a car. There are 2-3 cars that goes, and then so they're always fascinated at the amount of relatives that we have
Right,
in India,
right,
right? They have
right,
a
right,
hard time keeping tab. Okay,
Who's,
so
Taya,
this
who's
is
Nana?
Bua. Okay, so this is Chacha.
See, that's the beauty of our Indian relations, because over here you see everything is uncle and auntie. That's about it. Finish.
Right.
Story is finished. But in our relations, we have like every kind of relation has a different name, a different title to it, and that's the beauty of our, culture.
Exactly. So I have another. There's Maya Garg from Texas. She's a 16-year-old girl who has this to share with us. She says she loves visiting her grandparents in Guntur in Andhra Pradesh, in South India. She loves the rolling hills, the thin streams rapidly flowing, the large rice fields full of greenery near Guntur. She loves the fresh coconuts filled to the brim with water that are always available on the streets. She loves playing rummy with her grandparents, the fresh buttermilk that her grandfather gets for them every morning,
Aww.
the idli dosa and the yummiest chutneys ever prepared by her grandmother, the smell of fresh jackfruit that you can smell down the street, and the 101 variety of breakfast and snacks in India.
Oh my God. I'm surprised at this girl's memory. She
I
remembers
know,
all this
I know,
stuff.
she's a good writer. In fact, she has sent us a whole essay on it
Wow.
that we'll be publishing soon. So there's another story. The 14-year-old Ravi Chatterjee says, from Florida, he says that every year when he visits his dadi in Calcutta in West Bengal in India, he loves the morning Ravindra Sangeet session with his dadi. He says the sessions were often followed by Bengali sweets prepared by his dadi also. His favorite was Sandesh. His
Aww.
dadi is no more, but the memory of crisp morning air and the beautiful music will stay with him forever.
Very true.
That is so sweet.
Very
So we see, Neetu, that our kids are making wonderful memories that they will definitely cherish their entire lives, just as we did.
Obviously.
Right?
And इसी को ही सोचते हुए मेरे पास एक गाना भी दिमाग में याद आ रहा है. जो अभी मैं अपने लिसनर्स के लिए थोड़ी देर में लगाऊंगी, लेकिन आई हैव अ स्टोरी एज वेल. आई रिमेंबर आई डिड माय फादर इन लॉज 60th birthday a couple of years ago, and my daughter was just like probably not 2, so 1.5, जो थोड़ी थोड़ी चल रही है, कभी गिर जाती है, टाइप that kind of a stage, beautiful stage. तो I love that song, दादाजी की छड़ी हूँ मैं. Have you heard that song?
Yes, yes.
From उधार की जिंदगी. I love
yes.
that song of Kajol, with Jitendra, opposite
Very
Jitendra, she does
sweet.
that. And I thought of making her perform on that. So she's wearing that red color frock, beautiful frock, and she's holding one of those toy chadis. And she's like not singing, not moving, just standing over there, and the background is
Oh, I can totally visualize her.
so it's such a sweet feeling, बच्चों की, and it is.
And grandparents love seeing their grandkids perform.
Exactly.
They
Yes.
absolutely adore that.
They adore it. And I feel like, ये गाने की wording, गाना is beautiful in itself, but I think the wording is very true. बच्चे वाकई ही जो grandkids होते हैं, not the real kids maybe I would say, I would put the grandkids are actually the chhadi of grandparents.
Yeah, ये
So I feel it's a very beautiful सहारा जो grandparents के पास है, और me as a parent and you as a parent and we as parents have no right to take away that chhadi from the grandparents.
No, absolutely not.
Right?
On the contrary, like I said, because we cherish our memories with our grandparents,
Exactly.
we are always encouraging and enjoying the fact
Yes.
that, in fact, we make sure that they have that cherished time also.
Right, definitely. So, Sonal, how about a song right now at
I
this
am
stage?
eager to listen to that song again, actually.
Perfect. Let's go ahead and listen to this wonderful and a beautiful song. दादाजी की छड़ी हूँ मैं,
हाँ,
आगे पीछे खड़ी हूँ मैं.
वाह.
And if you have any of your stories to share with us, 817-468-1220 is the studio number.
कभी छोटी कभी पतली कभी मोटी, कभी लंबी कभी छोटी कभी पतली कभी मोटी बन जाती है. हाँ, दादाजी की छड़ी हूँ मैं, आगे पीछे खड़ी हूँ मैं. दादाजी की छड़ी हूँ मैं, आगे पीछे खड़ी हूँ मैं. मैं न जानू बात है क्या, लगते हैं खफा खफा. मैं न जानू बात है क्या, लगते हैं खफा खफा. कब से पीछे पड़ी हूँ मैं, दादाजी की छड़ी हूँ मैं, आगे पीछे खड़ी हूँ मैं. छड़ी छड़ी से जुड़े अगर बन जाए सपनों का घर. हाँ, छड़ी छड़ी से जुड़े अगर बन जाए सपनों का घर. छड़ी अकल से काम ले, गिरे कोई तो थाम ले. छड़ी अकल से काम ले, गिरे कोई तो थाम ले. बच्ची नहीं हूँ, बड़ी हूँ मैं. हाँ, बड़ी हूँ मैं. हे, दादाजी की छड़ी हूँ मैं, आगे पीछे खड़ी हूँ मैं. 16-17 साल की छड़ी है बड़ी कमाल की. पास अगर कोई दुश्मन आए, छड़ी मार कर उसे भगाए. उम्र तो एक दिन ढल जाती, छड़ी बुढ़ापे की साथी.
बैक लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, मॉर्निंग चाय दिल से मैं आप सबका स्वागत करती हूँ। मैं आपकी होस्ट, आपकी दोस्त आरजे नीतू, राइट हियर ऑन द एयरवेव्स ऑफ रेडियो हॉट पेपर 1220 AM। एंड लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, बताना चाहूंगी दैट टुडेज शो हैज बीन प्राउडली ब्रॉट टू यू बाय परवेज मलिक ऑफ BZR कमर्शियल रियलिटी। हिज नंबर इज 9725913322। वी हैव स्पाइसी cuisine that is conveniently located on 1800 Valley View Lane in Irving, and their number is 972-514-1531. Business Zoom to form LLC or C corporation, call Business Zoom, and their number is 817-249-9666. Some more sponsors, we have Shamaila Malik, your attorney at law with Malik Law Firm, and their number is 972-719-2576. Last but not the least, we have Seema Malik, your CPA, Texas Sales Tax Audits and IRS Audits के लिए give her a call today at 817-500-5851. And today's show of Morning Chai Dil Se has been proudly brought to you by Desi Diwar. And Desi Diwar ki Sonal Kulshrestha is on air with me. Good morning, Sonal. Welcome back.
Good morning, Neetu.
So, Sonal, we are talking about summer with the grandparents, and let's talk about when grandparents visit us over here in America during the summer breaks.
Yeah, so I asked my kids, Neetu, what is the difference between when you visit and when they visit? And
Right.
of course, there's that advantage of when the kids visit India because they see their grandparents in their natural environment, right?
Exactly.
But for them coming here, they had three things to say. First is, I feel, and they felt that too, that kids spend more quality time as grandparents are not distracted by the many chores that they have in India, right?
Right.
And kids are also not distracted by the minute-to-minute plans that we have ready when we are there, right?
Right.
And there are so many other family members also, and it's a very tight schedule, especially in those cases. Now sometimes I know family, the moms and the kid go for the entire summer vacation,
Right.
then it's a different thing,
Right.
But otherwise when grandparents come here, it's for much longer time.
It's a much
even,
longer
like
time.
3 months, 4 months, even 5-6 months at
Exactly.
times.
Exactly.
And second thing is, no matter how much kids might whine about eating Indian food every day, they rather do enjoy the variety that gets cooked when grandparents are visiting, right?
Absolutely.
And a lot of those yummy, delicious cooking done by dadis and the nannies, right?
Right.
My kids have a list ready of their favorite items when dadi and nani visit. They love their dadis, dosa, samosa, idli, puri aloo.
Oh my God.
And they love their nanis, nimona, egg curry, peas paratha, and tehri. That's a rice item. So they have all
तो
this
आप लेकर
list
आए हो
ready.
ये सारी आइटम्स?
की रेसिपी आई नो
नहीं, रेसिपी नहीं, मेरे को लाइव आइटम चाहिए।
आई नो जो मुंह में अब पानी आ रहा है, राइट?
Exactly, और स्पेशली आई नो योर इन लॉज आर हियर, सो बच्चों के दादा दादी आर हियर,
They are
तो आपको
here.
यार लेकर आना था यार,
I
आपको
know,
पता ना
वैसे
चाहिए।
वैसे ये भी करना पड़ेगा नीतू, आई नो।
सही
इन
बात
फैक्ट
है।
आई डू बेटर देन दैट, यू कम ओवर एंड एंजॉय, बिकॉज आई नो मेरी मदर इन लॉ की कुकिंग इज रियली अमेजिंग। वो विदाउट अनियन गार्लिक बनाती
my
हैं,
God, really?
बट यू नेवर मिस इट इन हर
अच्छा।
कुकिंग। सो मुझे वही लगता है, मुझे सब रेसिपी लिख के अपनी डॉटर को पास ऑन करना है।
सही बात है, that's true, that's
हाउ
true.
टू कुक विदाउट अनियन गार्लिक।
Yes.
So,
And that
in fact-
I have heard also पहले भी कई बार कि अनियन एंड गार्लिक के बिना एक्चुअली सब्जियां ज्यादा टेस्टी बनती हैं।
हाँ, बिकॉज
Some-
वो
I don't
काइंड
know.
ऑफ ओवरटेक नहीं करता
Maybe,
ना,
maybe.
predominant flavor
Exactly.
नहीं होता,
Let's put it that way.
right?
Exactly.
So maybe. And the third thing that my kids felt really is good is they enjoy listening to stories on the family
Aww.
history when dada dadi or nana nani visit, right? Especially stories about parents sound so much more interesting to them than when we tell them
Yes.
our stories,
Yes.
right? For instance, when their dad tells them how careful he was with spending money as a child, versus when Dadi tells them that your dad used to write. Oh, Neetu, are
We
you
have a
getting
phone call.
Sure,
Yes, we
sure,
have a
go
phone
ahead and
call.
take
So
it.
let's go ahead and take that phone call. Good morning.
नीतू जी गुड मॉर्निंग।
Hi, how are you doing?
आई एम डूइंग गुड नीतू जी, लवली बोल रहा हूँ। आपका प्रोग्राम सुनना था थोड़ा। आई वांटेड टू से नीतू जी क्विकली, ये जो नाना नानी दादा दादी, अनफॉर्चुनेटली माइन passed away, but the time I had with them, जो हमने सीखा नीतू जी, they're किस्मत वाले होते हैं बच्चे जिनको मिलते हैं दादा दादी. It's wisdom. We're speaking given अगर एग्जांपल दूं, मेरे अपने बच्चे ले, we're a joint family, so you can't say the support you get from parents. As a parent, up from तो बच्चे पालने, ये it takes a village to raise a kid. तो and they help us so much. in बच्चों को जब दादा दादी खिलाते हैं तो मम्मी डैडी को थोड़ा याद आता है कि हम कहाँ गलत हैं.
बिल्कुल सही बात
है. So that's the way I look at it. So every day I learn from my parents, जो हम बचपन में हमने नहीं सुनी उनकी, जहाँ अपनी जवानियों में भी, even today in these days we don't listen to our parents. पर जब वो हमारे बच्चों के साथ बातें करते हैं तब हमें रियलाइज होता है कि हम कहाँ गलत है, हमने क्या हम मिस कर दिया. तो तो ये मैंने, आपने गाने जो बजाए मजा आ गया नीतू जी. एंड नानी तेरी मोरनी को मोर ले गए.
जी हाँ.
वो भी बजाए. तो I don't know if I just tuned in, so I don't know if I missed it or not, but I just tuned in, so I was in. तो अच्छा लगा सुन के, so I had to pick up the phone and call.
नहीं, definitely, thank you so much, lovely जी. वो गाना मैं बजा चुकी हूँ, लेकिन you know what, आपने रिक्वेस्ट किया है, no worries, I will definitely play. सारे चाहे पूरा का पूरा ना लगाऊं, थोड़ा सा मैं 1 मिनट का जरूर लगाऊंगी.
जी जरूर. चलिए चालू रखें, मजा आ रहा है पूरा.
थैंक यू सो मच. 8174681220 इज द स्टूडियो नंबर. लवली सोनल, मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगी, ही डज अ फैबुलस प्रोग्राम ऑफ लवली बातें. हमारे रेडियो हॉट पेपर पे इनका प्रोग्राम होता है एवरी संडे फ्रॉम 4 to 6 p.m. So if you get a chance, don't tune in. Don't forget to tune in.
Yes. I will absolutely do that, Neetu.
So that was interesting thing. इन्होंने, unfortunately, he said he's lost his grandparents. I mean, इनके बच्चों के, I mean, both sides, they lost them. लेकिन he now misses that gap which is there in his life.
Yeah. And in our kids' life, we really miss that, and that is why we need to ensure that kids get maximum time with their grandparents, right?
Yes.
Because you're so aware of it. You're really aware of the fact that जितना वो time spend कर सके उतना अच्छा है.
बिल्कुल.
So we were talking of stories that grandparents tell, right? So when my kid's dad tells them how careful he was with spending money as a child, they don't listen as carefully. Right. But when Dadi tells them that their dad would bring back his diary of expenditure with every rupee accounted for when he returned from hostel, they somehow listen intently
and they'll try to follow it.
I know. So it just makes a big difference, the stories coming from them, right?
बिल्कुल.
So ये तो है नीतू, बहुत फर्क पड़ता है जब बच्चे बैठ के अपने दादा दादी से स्टोरीज सुनते हैं, right?
So, Sonal, do you think like kids that are born and raised over here in this country, which is away from their homeland, do you think that poses an issue in terms of their relationship with their grandparents now?
Neetu, I think our kids definitely value and cherish the time that they spend with their grandparents. But language and accent barriers certainly exist, right? After all, every child in India speaks the language of their grandparents, right? Whereas kids who are born and raised here, English is the more comfortable language for them. They completely understand Hindi and their other native language.
But उनके अंदर एक झिझक है,
a lot of times इतना नहीं communicate कर पाते, right? So, my kids and I, we came up with some ideas to enhance their experience beyond their barriers during the summer breaks.
I'm looking forward to hear this because my kids are in the same boat. पूरी अंग्रेजी होगी उनकी.
So we came up with these 4 things. Okay, so I'm going to share.
Sure.
And I'm sure a lot of you are doing exactly that. So it's just a voice to those ideas.
Sure.
So I'm just a voice to those ideas. So first is, we feel at least have one card session every other day.
Session?
Yeah, playing cards.
Okay, playing cards. Okay.
So learn your parents' favorite card game and enjoy them with your grandparents. We taught my kids court piece. अगर आपके बच्चे छोटे हैं, then blackjack
या just पत्ते पे पत्ता,
things
like
that.
वाली games होती थी. I remember छोटे होते, छोटी छोटी simple सी games.
And grandparents love playing cards with the kids, right? So now my kids, they are completely hooked to court piece. They
Aw.
love playing court piece with their dada dadi, with their nana nani. And I'm seeing, in fact, two beautiful things coming out of it. First is that the grandparents and the grandkids see a very different sides of each other, I feel. Like, it's amazing to see my son pick up Hindi lines when they are playing together. Like, he'll say, "Ye Trump ki chaal hai." Then he'll say, "Kato, kato." Then he'll say, "Arey bhaiya." Then he'll listen how Dadi is reacting
Yes.
to something.
Yes.
Like, "Hey Ram." Then he'll repeat it. So, we laugh that everything is going in his
Yeah.
database.
Exactly.
And it'll come out
And
soon.
it will come out soon with that American accent.
I know. True. And then, in fact, my kids feel so impressed with the dadi and nani style of playing
Okay.
when they manipulate a win for themselves. Right? So they feel like they have a lot to learn, and they feel, wow, dadi is smart.
That is sweet.
Because, they are not that good at cards game yet.
Bilkul,
So
bilkul.
they feel really impressed by that. So, and the second thing I feel is everyone often shares a good laugh together, right?
Yes.
Not to mention all the post-game discussion.
Bilkul, bilkul.
So, they'll say that, "Oh, I should have played that turn. Oh, I should have done that. Oh, I should have not
Everybody's
done that."
like kind of trying to come up with
Yes.
ideas. Even जो parents जब नहीं खेल रहे होते हैं, they also, अरे तुझे ऐसे करना चाहिए था.
Right.
They
I
put
know.
in their effort.
And suddenly all those barriers just disappear.
Everything,
The language
that's
and
true.
the
Yes.
accent, everything goes away,
Everything
right? Because
goes
you're
away.
so into the moment.
Bilkul,
right?
bilkul.
So, and the second thing, so the first is playing cards. Second is have long tea times where your kids can join with a glass of milk. Long lunches and long dinners too, because rest of the time people tend to get busy with their own stuff, right?
Right.
So steer the conversation towards some interesting facts from the past to involve the kids. Like I would say, did you know that Dadaji lived in Paris for an year when Daddy was little? And then I'll allow Dadaji to take over, right? So my daughter loves to hear stories of Dadaji's travels around the world.
Aw.
How fascinated he found clothes and gadgets from
Right,
out of
at that
India.
times, in those
right? So he
times, yes.
describes those little things because clothes were very different
Right.
abroad than they were in India at
Right,
that time,
right.
right? So, and my daughter, she was so fascinated when my mother-in-law told her that she got married at 18. And my mother-in-law literally narrated to her the day-to-day, her daily routine. And my daughter could not believe it because she's 16 now, and she was like, at 18, Daddy did all that.
Oh my
like
God.
literally catering to the needs of the people in the joint
Exactly.
family,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes, yes.
You get up, fill water, cook, wind up the kitchen, start preparing for dinner, things like that, right?
Ji,
So
bilkul.
she couldn't believe it, and she actually found it very fascinating, and she had this newfound respect for Dadi.
Yeah, definitely.
That, I mean, she always thinks that Dadi is very active at this age even,
Right.
but to picture her at 18 doing all
18,
that
yes.
was kind of like a reality check for her. So, and the third point, to spend quality time with the grandparents. Okay, so third point is match your child's interest with what the grandparents can provide, right? Like have cooking sessions.
Right.
And
right.
if your child is younger, then maybe just give them a paper and pencil, let them draw the family tree, write down the names,
something so they can
something
relate
that
with
you
the
can
family.
match.
Exactly.
Right?
Yes.
And the last thing is plan on catching up on classic Hindi movies with them.
Oh, that's a very
Right?
good one. Yes.
So what were their favorite movies? Especially movies like, these days abhi kya release hui hai? Gabbar is back, right?
Ji.
So catch up Sholay with them.
with them.
So you
They
will
can
also
relate
gain
it.
something,
Yes.
and they'll also enjoy seeing. Okay,
And that is a very good idea. आपने जब point out किया movies का, I think that's a very good idea. जब यहाँ पे language barrier खत्म हो जाता है, and they ask छोटी-छोटी चीजें कई बार पूछ रहे होते हैं.
Exactly.
Questions, I mean obviously यहाँ की especially generation बहुत questions पूछती है. We
I
all know about
know,
it.
I know.
They all relate. अच्छा दादाजी ये क्या है? अच्छा दादू ये क्या है? घोड़े पे कैसे जाते हैं वो? मतलब
I know. And
छोटी-छोटी.
they'll get to see the evolution of Hindi movies
Exactly,
with time. They'll get
exactly.
an insight into what India looked like
At that
right
time.
in 60s, 80s, and 90s.
बिल्कुल.
And then when they see the new movies that refer to old movies, they'll understand
They'll
that.
understand
right?
those things.
And then what better way of bonding than, old movies?
Definitely.
So talking of old classic movies, Neetu, I have a small quiz for you.
Okay.
if we have the
quiz.
time.
I'm not good. I'm not good with that.
Okay, I'll
Chalo.
tell you some of the classic lines and you tell me what movie it's from.
Oh, okay. Let
Okay?
me try.
Okay. तेरा नाम क्या है बसंती?
शोले.
मर्सी लड़का तो बहुत अच्छा है, बस जब थोड़ा पी के आता है लड़ाई झगड़ा करता है.
ये भी शोले से ही है.
Yes.
Okay. बसंती
And
वो.
कितने आदमी थे?
शोले.
Okay, so obviously the example is Sholay, right? A good example of catching up on classic movies, Sholay. Okay, how about this? मुझे माँ मिली.
दीवार.
Yes,
Oh my
were,
God,
right? How
awesome.
many times we hear this line,
Yes,
right? मुझे
okay.
माँ मिली. So it would do them good to know where it came from,
Yes, yes,
right?
definitely.
Okay, then how about this? बड़े बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती
Now
है.
this is not an old movie. This is not a classic movie, but not an old one.
But it is a classic one,
Okay,
right?
yes, put it that way. All right.
Dil
Dilwale
Wale
Dulhaniya Le Jayenge.
Now
Awesome.
Obama has given it a classic status, right? Because he mentioned it in his
Yes,
speech.
yes, yes.
Then movies like that.
Bilkul.
That's my point. That just catch up on movies so you will understand the spoofs in the
Yes,
new movie.
bilkul, bilkul.
Right. So I think it's time for another Dadi song now.
बताइए कौन सा वाला?
How about that? कहने को दादी.
कहने को दादी. ये कौन सी
जीन्स
मूवी
मूवी
है?
का है. उसमें ऐश्वर्या राय has done a dance on this in fact.
ओके वंडरफुल. चलिए इस गाने को ढूंढती हूँ, लेकिन जब तक मैं ढूंढ रही हूँ मैं लवली जी का वो नानी तेरी मोरनी को एक मिनट का लगाना चाहूंगी.
Absolutely. He shared such beautiful sentiments with us.
Definitely.
We have
तो
got to do that.
उनको डेडिकेशन जा रही है. लवली जी, here's beautiful dedication going out to you on the airwaves of Radio Hot Pepper 1220 AM. That was indeed a beautiful song, लवली जी. और सोनल, मेरा बिल्कुल मन नहीं कर रहा है इस गाने को बंद करने का, लेकिन समय की जो घड़ी है ना, जो टिक 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 करती रहती है, तो वो मेरे को इशारा कर रही है कि मेरे को अब इस गाने को बंद करना पड़ेगा. एंड आई हैव टू मूव ऑन टू द लास्ट सॉन्ग ऑफ द डे. बट सोनल, बिफोर आई लेट यू गो, आई वांट टू सिंसियरली थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग ऑन एयर एंड शेयरिंग दिस वंडरफुल वंडरफुल टॉपिक. एवरी टाइम आप आती हैं कुछ ना कुछ, कभी रुलाने वाले, कभी हंसाने वाले कुछ टॉपिक्स लेकर आती
We
हैं.
try to steer clear of that, right, Titu?
बिल्कुल.
कि अच्छा आज ना रोएंगे ना रुलाएंगे.
तो नहीं, but truly I think it was a beautiful topic, a lovely topic, and loved having a wonderful conversation
Yeah,
with you.
thank you, Neetu. Thank you very much for having me. I enjoy it so much having these discussions with you.
Definitely.
And I get such good feedbacks. In fact, a friend of mine was saying that RJ Neetu is one of the best RJs in the Dallas-Fort
Oh
Worth
my
area.
God! Thank you so much.
Okay, that
Truly
was just to
appreciate it.
embarrass you too.
You did embarrass me right now. All right, you know what, Sonal? I also heard something उड़ती खबर कि आप रेडियो हॉट पेपर मैगजीन के लिए लिखने वाली हैं.
Oh yeah, I'm looking forward to that.
Then we are definitely going to look forward to reading more articles, not only on Desi Diwar, but also on our Radio Hot Pepper magazine. Ladies and gentlemen,
Absolutely.
definitely, जैसे ही इनके first articles आते हैं, we will let you know about it. and so that you can buy the radio, I mean not buy the, get the Radio Hot Pepper magazines and start reading her articles. If you don't have access right now to internet, which I really doubt, and if you get a chance, definitely go on to her website, which is
www.desidewar.com.
and that's a wonderful website, ladies and gentlemen. You don't want to miss reading the wonderful articles, and of course usko jaake subscribe kare. So how can they subscribe? They can go on to their Facebook page,
And yes, you can go to Facebook page, like it. When you see events come up, subscribe to the events. You can go to YouTube Desi Dewar channel and subscribe to us there. Become
Okay.
a member on Desi Dewar.
Okay, perfect. That is a couple of things that you guys got to know. And of course, if you have more questions, you can reach out to me, Neetu at radiohotpepper.com. That's NITU at radiohotpepper.com. One more time, wishing all our women a very happy World Cup. आप लोग enjoy कीजिए US की victory that happened last night. And मैं लगाती हूँ जाते जाते ये आखिरी गाना.
कहने को दादी लेकिन सहेली दादी हो तो ऐसी संग संग ये गाए संग संग ये नाचे देखो तो है कैसी
तुमसे मुझे दूर मिली गोद मिली
A quick update on the traffic. There's a major accident on Highway 35 East South at Royal Lane causing traffic on Lane 5, and we have a major accident on Highway 635 at Abrams Road that is causing traffic on HOV lane. Actually, there's not an accident. There's a disabled vehicle out there which is causing traffic on the HOV lane. With this, this is RJ Neetu signing off with her program, and I will see you guys tomorrow, which is Tuesday at 8. Don't forget to stay tuned to Radio Hot Pepper, 12:20 a.m.
है कैसी जीन्स अगर पहनो तो होठों पर लिपस्टिक हो बालों में फिजा